The global ocean of the mind. The human brain is not a container of thoughts. It is an ocean of them, vast, merging, and alive. Imagine all the seas of the world joining as one body of water, the way melting glaciers release their ancient cold into the global tide. That is how the brain lives. All mental oceans, memory, imagination, intuition, logic, joining at one deep center. This depth is not measurable. It's not a space you can map or define by science alone. It's a realm where thought behaves like water, fluid, adaptive, and infinite. Every human being carries this ocean inside, but only a few dare to dive deep enough to sense its true vastness. Those few are what we call thinkers. They do not seek knowledge as collectors of facts. They chase it the way divers chase the unreachable floor of the sea, driven by an irresistible desire to understand what lies beneath. Their curiosity is a force of nature, the tide that moves their entire being. Just as the ocean forms distinct currents, the mind too carries different streams: emotional, rational, spiritual, creative. Each is shaped by the climate around it, our upbringing, experiences, pains, and revelations. Yet all of them begin from the same deep source. That is why genuine thought feels both individual and universal, born from one mind, but connected to all. In this state, time loses its dominion. The thinker dwells in a zone where hours dissolve. It becomes impossible to tell whether ideas are merging or drifting apart, because in truth, creation happens in both directions. When two ideas collide, they form something new. When one departs, it leaves a vacuum that invites discovery. This is the stillness that thinkers crave, not the quiet of silence, but the quiet of depth. It is a space untouched by noise or imitation, where thought becomes pure energy. From here, thinkers rise back to the surface carrying what they've found, insights that reshape lives, societies, and sometimes even civilizations. So the brain, like the global ocean, is not divided. It is one vast intelligence, where everything that ever was and ever will be flows together. The real difference lies not in who possesses it, but in who dares to enter it, who has the courage to surrender to the pull of that depth and return with something the world has never seen.